Why we made this product? Recently, topping in drinks are trending in the beverage industry, so we tried to encapsulate fruity flavor as boba and create a new watermelon and mango combination beverage. Formulation for this product is 2 cups of scooped watermelon, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 cup of mango juice, 1/3 teaspoon of sodium alginate powder, 2 teaspoons of calcium lactate powder, and 2 cups of plain water.
Preparation of mango boba solution. Firstly, pour 1 cup of mango juice, then add 1/3 teaspoon of sodium alginate. Blend until the powder dissolves. Then chill the solution to let the air bubble settles. Preparation of watermelon juice. First, prepare 2 cups of watermelon. Then add preferred amount of sugar. Blend well and sieve before chill. Preparation of calcium buff solution. Add 2 teaspoons of calcium lactate in water, then mix well until the powder dissolves. Suck up some juice into the shrink and slowly release the juice into the calcium lactate water. The drops hold their sheet as tiny spheres. This phenomenon is called spherification, and it will explain later in this video. Sieve the mango popping boba, and the calcium water can be used to make another batches. And our Wago is ready to serve.
Now, let's move on to the precaution. Don't put too much sodium alginate as it can thicken the liquid more and increase the surface tension of popping boba. Next, rinsing the popping balls before eating them helps remove the salty taste. Make sure to use a clean and separate blender from the one used for food blender. And last, slicing the watermelon will make the fruit easier to mix together in blender. Popping bobas are the result of spherification. What is spherification? Spherification is a chemical reaction between calcium lactate and sodium alginate. It turns mango and sodium alginate solution into squishy spheres. The spheres resemble roe for the visual and texture. In this process, sodium alginate acts as thickener, meanwhile calcium lactate causes the mango and alginate solution to gel, forming a membrane around the juice in tiny spheres. This is the packaging for our product. Why we use capped glass bottle? Because it is reusable, can visualize the beverage better, sustainable, non-porous, impermeable, and provide no nasty aftertaste.